My name is Alex Hernandez. I am the Vice President of Manufacturing for Rodeo Cannabis Co. Rodeo started early on after the social equity licenses. We were the first outdoor grow in the state of Connecticut, and about a year later we opened up manufacturing here in Sterling, Connecticut. We do a little bit of everything here in Sterling. We have Astron for solventless extraction, we do BHO extraction, we make vapes, concentrates, gummies, pre-rolls, packaged flower, you name it. We specialize in white labeling. We built this place for scale to be the manufacturer for the state and are looking to bring in some more brands. So we actually started right off the rip with Melt to Make. I met Chris early on, and it was a huge jump start for us in the company, just having that consistent base to start with. It really helped us develop our brand and get to market quickly and effectively. Melt to Make's been instrumental in helping our workflow and just creating our overall sort of gummy brand structure. It all started with that initial training at Melt to Make HQ there, and it was just history from there. I left there and had a really good understanding of what I needed to do and how to move forward, and here we are today. Scaling with Melt to Make's been huge. The introduction of the Totes structure has been phenomenal, especially for our business and our scale right now. Totes are just the absolute way to go. It makes it so simple and easy to continue to grow and develop this brand. For time savings and efficiency for prep and just the overall production schedule has been really great. Having that unflavored base has really allowed us to go Willy Wonka style and just get super creative with flavorings and colorings and coatings and what have you. And really grateful for the Melt to Make team for that. So thank you.